Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I share with you about cool new tools, technologies, programming, electronics, and much more. If you are not my subscriber yet, you have a chance to fix that right now. Okay, let's go. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a project I worked on this summer that I think you'll love. You know how sometimes a full-size lawnmower can be a bit too much to handle, hard to transport, especially when you're mowing multiple properties with not much grass on each one. A small, portable mower that can work on a battery and can fit in a trunk of a car would be just the perfect solution. Well, since I couldn't find one like that, I decided to make one myself. I turned my 17-inch DeWalt grass trimmer into a portable lawnmower that's battery-driven and can easily fit in the trunk of my car. I didn't even have to buy most parts. I found a walker that someone put on the curb to give away for free, so I used its wheels and some of the frame, and attached the wheels to my trimmer to make it ride on the grass at a steady height. And the best part? It doesn't need gas, it's lightweight, and only takes one hand to use. Now let me show you how it works. But wait, there's more. After using it for 15 minutes, I noticed that the wheel steering was loose and the wheels were slightly turning right and left randomly. So, I decided to upgrade it by adding more stability to the wheel alignment. I cut out this steel plate and drilled holes in it to hold the bar that holds wheels so it wouldn't move. Adding this stability made my portable mower even more enjoyable to use. By the way, this was my first time using rivets. I use them so I don't have to use screws and nuts that might get unscrewed over time. I want these parts to stay together. If I need to use trimmer without wheels, I can unscrew wheels here and use trimmer normally. Sure, the grass might not look as perfect as from a mower designed specifically for this job, but in my situation, it's totally okay. Plus, it's easy to use, portable, and gets the job done. And who knows? Maybe you'll be inspired to create your own mower like that too. If you live in a city and don't have much grass, maybe don't want to drag that cumbersome mower into basement each time. This might be a good do-it-yourself project for you. Hey, If you like this idea, don't be selfish and hit that like button to make sure others can see it as well. And obviously, you should subscribe right now to make sure you don't miss my next videos. I try to share with you only stuff I am passionate about, so it's gonna be fun. Thank you so much. Subscribe,